Dear Blender user, I'm Beniamino della Torre, the creator of Flared, the add-on for making lens flare, and I'm here because I want to show you a new incoming template. I've called it Hooper because he's got this RGB hoop around him, and you can see that I can choose this flare, I can choose my lamp, I can choose my camera. I'm already in camera view. I will change to random mode, the viewport, and I will add the flare. So now the flare will be added. Okay, I remove this because I don't want to see anything else. And this is the new flare that has this hoop that comes from the distance and then vanish when approaching to the light source. I know this is not a physically correct hoop. This is something like an artistic hoop, but it's quite good for our videos and our scenes. As you can see, this flare is different from the others because it has a lot of ghosts, but they are very small and they have a sort of chromatic aberration. They are changing color, and if you take a look near them, I'm not able now to show you. Yes, some of them has something like a chromatic aberration in these places here. Okay, and this is good because they are more realistic. I've never talked about the intensity of the flare because I always show them on black, and it's hard to understand which will be the effect on a real image, on a real render. So now I will add this HDRI picture in the background. I've already put the light here, so our light is on the sun, and as you can see, the flare is vanishing. You cannot see it because on black it seems to be very bright, but in reality on a high illuminated picture like this, it's not so bright, and so you have to tweak some properties to make it more visible. The first property to tweak is the global emission. You can amplify the emission, and you can force value more than one. If you want, you can put 3 and it works. 5. In this way you are adding more light to all the elements of the flare. As you can see, the hoop has too much power now. The hoop is controlled by the sunbeam emission. This is a limitation due to the structure of flare at this moment, but if you turn down the sunbeam emission, you will turn down the hoop emission. I don't like the hoop to be too much visible, so I like something just like this or less. As you can see, we can amplify the ghosts emission. Okay, yes, because I like them more visible, and we can also make, yes, this is good. The hoop is very powerful when the background is dark, and it seems to be vanishing when the background is bright, but this is correct. And okay, so now I have tweaked this lens flare for a picture like this. I will change a little the where is the camera here? The focal view of the camera, because I wanna see more panorama. Okay, something like 30 millimeters. Okay, this is better. With this flare you can change the the focal length too, you know that this parameter is something not connected to reality or physics. It's just something that could modify the distance between the elements of the flare. So I will try to use it now to compensate, and I will take a look if I like it more. Yes, maybe this is more realistic, not so good this sort of peer here. Okay, okay. Maybe this flare need some more work because there are I can see something strange now, but it's new and it will be available as soon as possible. And for all the users that have already bought Flare, they will receive an email with the new version. This version will be 1.5, and for uh, the new buyers, they will have it as soon as it will be ready to be bought or to download. I don't know if I've already told you, till the beginning of July, Flared should be on sale on the Blendermarket, and so this could be interesting because I've never had experience with them, but they seems to be very kind and very professional. We will see what will happen working with them, and then after this I will have contact with Gumroad too, and I want to sell this add-on on Gumroad too. I just have to say that on the Blendermarket, the price will be 49 US dollars. And I think that I will change the price on our store now of blenderlensflare.com, and I will change it in euros to match the same value in dollars. So if you want to take advantage of the promo of 25 euros, you'll have to do it in June, because in July the price will rise up again. Thank you and bye bye.